A part of the Mumbai metropolitan region, Thane has become almost a part of Mumbai due to its proximity. Thane not only shares its island with Mumbai but also Salsette the island. The famous hills, Hill of Ure and Persik Hills surround this city, which is elevated 7 meters above the sea level. Thane was the terminus for the first ever passenger train in Asia. On 16th of April 1853, the passenger train service was inaugurated between Boribandar, Bombay and Thane. Covering a distance of 34 km, Thane is connected with neighbouring suburbs through Central and Trans-Harbour Line suburban railway network. Thane is a railway junction for the Thane-Vasi and Panvel Harbour Line and Central Line. It is one of the busiest stations in India and handles more than 6,54,000 passengers daily. Kalyan is the main junction of Central Railway. The traffic coming from northern side and southern side of the country merge at Kalyan and moves towards CSMT Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. Prior to 2008, it had 4 tracks. 2 tracks were used for slow local trains and 2 for fast local, mail express and goods. To segregate suburban and long distance trains, 2 additional tracks were planned between Kalyan and CSMT in stages. Work of 2 additional lines completed between Kalyan and Diva in 2007 to 2008 and Thane to Kurla connecting LTT or Lokmanya Tilak terminus and Kurla yard in 2011 to 2012. On either side of Diva and Thane. 2 tracks each of 9.44 km between Diva and Thane was missing link, creating bottleneck and leading to capacity constraint. Earlier, as the suburban local and mail trains were on the same first corridor, in case of loco failure or chain pulling in the mail trains, the suburban trains were also impacted. The work on the 5th and 6th lines between Thane and Diva was sanctioned in 2008 to 2009 under the Mumbai Urban Transport Project Phase 2, with equal cost sharing by the Railway Ministry and the Maharashtra government. The project, which was to be originally completed December 2015, saw the building of a 1.4 km long rail flyover, 3 major and 20 minor bridges as well as a 170 meter tunnel. Well, there are many reasons of delay as this project was to be made in running working days. They had to deal with the daily commuters and there were many clearance issues too. To complete this project, Central Railway had to take a lot of shutdowns like sometimes 6 hours, 12 hours, sometimes on full day and even they took a 72 hours of mega block in this route for completion of this work. But after all these issues and hurdles, finally on 18th of February 2022, they completed this project officially. The total cost of this project amid the delays increased from 130 crore to 440 crores, with railway officials having to acquire 12,962 square meters of land and rehabilitating 469 project affected people. With this project, the path of the local and express train will be completely separated between Kurla and Kalyan. 2 major junctions on the network over a decade after the 5th and 6th lines were commissioned between Kurla and Thane. So what is your thought about this project? Make sure to share in the comment section. So if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and witness the development of India through this channel. Thanks for watching.